Hi everyone, I am Harsharaj Nath and I completed my MTech from Tezpur Central University, Assam in the year 2020. After completing my MTech, I opted for the Embedded Systems course at Emertxe, and I can confidently say that this is an excellent institute for those who want to learn or who want to upskill themselves in the embedded systems domain. I also want to share my positive experience with Emertxe and my successful placement at Continental Automotive. The course is very well structured and it contains 6 to 7 modules like Linux systems, advanced C, data structure and microcontroller. The classes were regular and very smooth, and the mentors are very knowledgeable and friendly. They are always willing to help whenever you have any doubt or question. The course also includes hands-on assignment, module test, objective test and a project after every module, and they also conduct mock interviews which will help the students for the real world interviews. Additionally, the placement support is outstanding. We get regular update from the placement team regarding the companies who are visiting the institute for recruitment. Overall, I can say that Emertxe is the best choice if you are looking to gain knowledge and skill in the embedded systems domain. If you study well and do all the assignments and projects on time, you can definitely land in your dream job. Thank you.